Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are about to discuss some current affairs related to the March month of 2021. So let's get started. The first question is, who is the new MD and CEO of Central Bank of India? Who is the new MD and CEO of Central Bank of India? The answer is Matam Venkat Rao. Mr. Matam Venkat Rao has been taken over charge as Managing Director and CEO of Central Bank of India from March 1st, 2021. The second question is, who is the flag officer commanding in chief of Eastern Naval Command? The answer is Officer Ajendra Bahadur Singh. He is the flag officer commanding in chief of Eastern Naval Command. The third question is, present chairman of CBDT. What is CBDT? Central Board of Direct Taxes. The present chairman is Pramod Chandra Modi. His tenure has been extended for 3 more months. Additional charge of CRPF Director General is, who is the additional charge of CRPF Director General? It is IPS Officer Kuldeep Singh. He is the additional Director General of CRPF. What is CRPF? Central Reserve Police Force. Who is India's next High Commissioner to Austria? Mr. Jaideep Majumdar. He is the India's next High Commissioner to Austria. Sixth question, who has been given the additional charge of Revenue Secretary? Who is the additional charge of Revenue Secretary? It is none other than Tarun Bajaj. Mr. Tarun Bajaj. Who is the present UN's Assistant Secretary General? United Nations Assistant Secretary General. She is Ligia Noronha. She is the present UN's Assistant Secretary General. What is the name of the Bangladesh first transgender TV news anchor? What is the name of the Bangladesh first transgender TV anchor? She is Tashnua Anand Shishirji. She was appointed as she was recruited as a TV anchor on March 8th, that is on International Women's Day. From Women's Day onwards, she has been working as a TV anchor. She is the first transgender TV anchor. Okay. Who is the Special Assistant to President for Criminal Justice in USA? He is none other than Chirag Bains. Who is the Brand Ambassador of Glenmark Pharma Company? Brand Ambassador of Glenmark Pharma Company. He is a cricketer, famous cricketer. His name is Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is the Brand Ambassador of Glenmark Pharma Company. Right now he is performing advertisements for the Candid allergy powder or Candid dust powder. Next, what is the CEO? Who is the CEO and MD of Asset Reconstruction Company of India, ARCIL? Who is the CEO and MD of ARCIL? It is Pallav Mohapatra. Pallav Mohapatra appointed as MD and CEO of ARCIL. President of Barcelona Football Club. Who is the current president of Barcelona Football Club? He is Joan Laporta. Joan Laporta is the current president of football club. It is a Barcelona Football Club. Next, who is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? It is Tirath Singh Rawat. He belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party and he is the member of parliament from BJP. Right now he is the current Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Who is the chairman of panel of external auditors of the United Nations for the year 2021? Mr. Girish Chandra Murmu. He is the current chairman of external audits, CAG. Which union minister has been appointed as captain in territorial army? Which union minister has been appointed as captain in territorial army? Mr. Anurag Thakur. He is the union minister of Bharatiya Janata Party. Best film. Which is the best film in motion picture drama category in 78th Golden Globe Awards 2021? Which is the best film in this Golden Globe Awards 2021? It is Nomadland. This is the best movie for the 78th Golden Globe Awards 2021. Next, which is the best album of the year for the 63rd edition of Annual Grammy Awards? Which is the best album of the year for Grammy Awards? The album is Folklore. Next, which Indian social activist has been nominated for International Women of Courage 2021 award? Which Indian social activist has been nominated She is Gausalya Shankar. She has been nominated for the International Women of Courage Award 2021 award. Which Indian company recently added to Global Lighthouse Network? It is Renew Power. This is the company which has been added to the Global Lighthouse Network. Next, which Indian politician has won the Sahitya Akademi Award for the year 2021? Which Indian politician has won the Sahitya Akademi Award for the year 2021? He is none other than Mr. Veerappa Moily. He is the former Chief Minister of Karnataka. For the year 2021, he was conferred with Sahitya Akademi Award. Which Indian cine actor has been honored with the FIAF Award 2021? What is FIAF Award? It is International Federation of Film Archives, related to the cinema industry or film industry. Recently, one Indian cine actor has been honored. Who is that Indian actor? Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Which film won the Best Film Award in 67th National Award Ceremony? It is Marakkar, The Lion of Arabian Sea. The main actor here is Mohanlal. Gandhi Peace Prize 2021 by who won the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2020? He is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He belongs to Bangladesh. He is a great person. For him, the Gandhi Peace Prize has been awarded. Who won the prestigious Vyas Samman 2020 award? Who won the prestigious Vyas Samman 2020 award? It is Sharad Pagareji. Next, which bank achieved the certification Great Place to Work? The bank name is ESAF Small Finance Bank. Carmen Maria Machado has won the Rathbones Folio Prize for the year 2021. Folio Prize is given to which field? Folio Prize is given to literature field. She is Carmen Maria Machado. She won the Folio Prize, and Folio Prize is given for the field of literature. Next, which bank joined LIINK blockchain based payment network of JP Morgan? Which bank? What is the name of that bank? State Bank of India. It joined LIINK blockchain based payment network of JP Morgan. Which bank has launched Smartup Unnati to support women entrepreneurs? What is the name of that bank? It is HDFC Bank. On March 8th, this scheme has been introduced by HDFC for the sake of women entrepreneurs. SEBI has recently cancelled the registration of Dash as a sub-broker. Sahara India. The SEBI has cancelled the registration of Sahara India company as a sub-broker. Next, the final and last question. Which bank launched the Vikas Asha loan scheme for women? Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank launched the Vikas Asha loan scheme for the sake of women. These are the few current affairs of March 2021. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.